Hello, and today we're going to be unboxing the accessories that go with the Power Goat here. Actually, it goes with any of the new goat bikes, but we're going to put them on the Power Goat. I normally do this outside, but yeah, it's like negative 13 out there, so I haven't really been able to do that. So I decided, well, we'll just unbox it in here and install it, see what it looks like. Before I do that, I also wanted to show you this nice bag that comes in the box when you get this bike. And it has basically some different parts and some tools in it. Very nice, cool bag. Keep all that. Right down here. Come show you this. Yeah, pretty cool little bag that comes with it. And this is your little toolkit. We'll probably use a couple of these things here. What's also cool, this has a little Velcro strap so you can strap it to the bike if you need to. Basically, this is the tools you get with it. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if I don't have a lot of room here. Show you what it looks like. Pull this ball out of my pocket. There we go. Hopefully that comes out on the camera pretty good. You can kind of see what it looks like on there. Pretty cool. And thanks for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing. And also check out my buddy Bruce has a video that's coming up on Sunday. He's going to be doing a review on one of the goat bikes. So I'm Bruce Electric. Check him out. Thanks, and see you in the next one.